Y'all can't see Yomi, but she's coming.
That's Dennis the Menace too.
Yomi. Yomi. Hi, Mama.
Hey, yeah, Yomi. What we gonna do today, y'all? Oh well, we're gonna cook us some pizza from scratch. We already got brown crust, but we made the first piece is gonna be a vegetable pizza, right? With the mozzarella. The second one gonna be pepperoni sauce. And it's gonna have a ball right here. So right now I'm starting off with y'all can see the zucchini. I mean eggplant. I got zucchini. I got red and green bell pepper.
Yummy, baby.
I got mozzarella cheese. I got Prego pizza sauce, pizza style, Parmesan cheese, black olives, green olives, and more pizza sauce. What else we got over here? We got the pepperonis. Oh, and we got the mild banana pepper. I like the banana pepper on there.
Yes.
So, yeah, get the sliced green onions. That's for the top, good flavor. We're using turkey sauces. That's for the meat piece. Okay. We're gonna get started. As y'all can see, I'm getting this eggplant cut up. Get all the vegetables and stuff cut real good for y'all. So y'all watch it. Like that on that. And look at that smile on her, y'all. I'm gonna cut these nice up right here, man. Get all our vegetables cut real good in it, man. So we're gonna take that cheese and mozzarella. It's just gonna be so thick and yummy. Just come to car like that, like some pudding. I don't know if it's gonna be like pudding, but you know, y'all get the idea. Y'all know what I'm saying. I need to cut these in some smaller blocks.
Yes, sir.
So.
You hear him? Yes, sir.
I think the hardest thing in doing things is this part, cutting it up, man. What y'all think?
No, that is the easy part.
Cutting it up is the hard part. Yeah, you can see here, you got to chop.
That's the easy part. I think the hard part is probably assembling it. That would be really annoying.
Assembling it.
Yeah.
Hey, girl. What you doing? Uh-huh.
So pretty.
They're going to be our next young fishermen and chefs, y'all.
And me and Diddy.
You can see him.
Get her out of there.
She's falling.
Get this stuff good and diced. And see what I don't use of all these vegetables that I'm going to do for the vegetable pizza, guess what? It's going to be a vegetable casserole. So it's like 2 meals in one. You hear?
Mm-hmm.
I wish I could do like them chefs. Shoot, I could by 8 meals.
Oh.
He had to do it again, didn't he?
He did.
He liked to test you.
That's why he been going.
Hope y'all been enjoying our cooking videos lately, man. We'll get this stuff diced up right nice, man. And when I say, man, we do not be telling fibs, but it be so good. I know some people can cook and make it look good, and it's like no flavor, no taste, but it be busting. It be on fleek. You know what I'm saying? The whoop the whoop.
Be careful with that name. That's that good.
We almost through with our zucchini, y'all.
Eggplant.
I mean eggplant. I don't know why I keep saying zucchini. I must be ready for that zucchini.
Clearly.
Him love some zucchini.
Right. There we go. So that's our zucchini right there.
Eggplant.
This our eggplant right there, man. Y'all see the man, and you know we dicing it up and getting it from the.
You watching Papa cook? You watch Papa cook? Say yeah.
Yeah.
What? Eat. Pizza.
Peach.
Yeah. Eat.
No.
Leave my grapefruit alone.
Not him pointing
Yeah,
out
he
the
ready to
fruits.
do something,
You
y'all.
want orange?
I told y'all.
Want an orange?
That's the brown skin. That's the brown skin Dennis the Menace right there.
There you go.
For real. Literally.
Charlie, what thoughts you be doing at the moment?
Okay, y'all. I make sure I ain't cut my finger 'cause I forgot I got the good knife. Right now, y'all, I'm doing the bell peppers.
That's Mama's favorite knife.
Cutting them in there. Yeah, you gotta be careful.
Ain't it like a diamond knife?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It'll cut you from ooh-wee. Set up slicker, city slicker. And that thing will cut you, man.
It cut through anything.
Yeah.
That's what I love.
We cut a rock the other day. Put the cheese on.
I'm so tired of him. What?
This is my format. I had to get the centerpiece out the pepper. I had to concentrate because I be the one to cut myself. Okay, y'all, here we go. We got the just trying to get the bell peppers cut, man. Around the middle like that.
Sit down. Sit down.
Where that baby girl at? Oh, you got her?
She walking with Kiki. Oh, look at the fit slash. She's like a little clown.
Uh-oh.
Yummy, come here, Mama. I think it's how I don't know how.
Hey, what's that movie? That family
You change fits, girl. Yeah.
They would move that neighborhood and people like that on.
Oh, yeah.
What is that movie called? We were just talking about it. That lady played in it.
Us.
Us. She like one of the us's.
She does.
That's what Elmo outfit. She just put two of different Elmos.
I just said that, Mom. I literally, quite literally, just said that.
Get away
I
from
quite
the-
Yeah,
literally.
man.
You just
Like I said, we
got
making
in the
this,
mess over there.
this homemade pizza, man. You know, we like to do a lot of homemade stuff and do it ourselves. And actually, really, if we restaurant quality style, like it tastes really
Really good.
yeah, you know what I mean? With the wood.
Really
It
good.
tastes whoop the whoop.
I don't know what that means. Curious, Bubba, stop.
If I tell y'all that there's some minutes right there,
Yeah. So,
they don't mind. They probably won't even get to hear that part.
bruh.
I'm gonna edit this little boy. You get edited.
I think they like when they hear the babies cry.
I know, right? It put the realness in it.
Yeah. That's the only reason.
This is real.
Yeah, that's the only reason I don't like to stop filming. So like, I think it's nice. It adds that real touch,
Yeah.
that insight into the lifestyle. Look how Charlie chopped, y'all. Slay. Tell him.
Right. Getting in there.
Yup.
Yeah, so you gotta get it in there. If you don't hear that crunch,
You gotta grind it.
you gotta hear that crunch in there, man.
Bless you. Bless you.
Turn them sideways.
Oh, your sneeze sounds weird.
It's because I was trying to go in and I needed to get
It's a sneeze. Ew. No, my sneeze is just like, achoo, or it's like silent. There's never really a noise. So I was blessed. Slay. Y'all, Charlie's sneeze sounds horrific because
I'm like,
he's a big man and it's that is not true. It is huge.
yeah, we about through with our peppers, red and green peppers. Hell, so we get on to the next step.
What doc
Everything
the
is-
next step?
Everything is
be?
fresh and organic.
I can't stop saying that.
And everything we get, like we like to go organic, man, because you know organic is the way and it's much healthier.
Yes.
And you know, like some people ask me, like, why is it so healthy? You should know why organic is, because the other things that are not organic are actually sprayed with chemicals,
Pesticide.
pesticides. So you want to always go organic, man. At least that's what I recommend.
Yes.
You can go with one to go organic. I don't want to eat pesticide.
Yeah. Because I mean, we're not telling you what to do. That's weird. We don't do that.
What?
Live how you want to
All
live.
these
But we
sicknesses
have
and diseases out here, and
yes.
cancers and
But
stuff
we
like
highly suggest.
that. You never know where it come from. That's it. All these chemicals that they put in our foods, man. So you gotta kind of be careful what you eat. Eat healthy.
It stunts your growth. And
Eat healthy, live healthy.
Look, it stunts your growth and mess with your brain cells.
Yeah, but somebody told on themselves today and said they've been drinking one cold drink a day.
What?
Wow.
Who said that?
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
What are you talking about?
The cold drink, the Pepsi. At school, one day your friend gives you, I told
Okay.
you, tell her to give you juice.
Because look, y'all. Either I buy me a Pepsi at the vending machine, or my friend, she buys herself drinks regularly, and I have class with her right after she
Y'all gotta
goes
see
to the
if she tell
vending
truth
machine.
or not. Hold on. Tell them what happened now.
Okay, so my friend goes to the vending machine regularly, and when she goes, she always buys an extra one and gives it to me because the next period we have class together, and she's just like being a sweetheart.
Okay, so what's wrong with
She
you
knows
saying
all the
what?
Pepsis.
And she's been doing this a while, so why can't you say, can you, when you give me a drink, make it a lemonade or a juice or something like that, something about
Because
caffeine.
it's either the cold drinks or them Powerade things, not the Gatorade.
Well, maybe
the Powerade.
what if
Those
you
are
get
nasty.
one cold drink a week? Could you do that?
I mean, I drink water.
Hey
all
y'all,
the
we're
rest
gonna
of the
challenge
time.
her to one cold drink a week, and I'm telling the viewers
But
when
we
you
don't be drinking
don't,
cold drinks, so that's why he's saying it.
cause she
No,
sneak.
that's what I'm saying. I
Right.
was sneaking. I had it in the car. Remember, you drunk my drink when you picked it
I
up.
thought it was water.
He picked it up,
I
and he
picked
said,
it up.
and I said, "Did you just drink
I
my
said,
drink?"
what? I'm like looking like when water taste like this.
I said, "Did you just drink my drink?"
We got
He
it,
said, "You know
y'all.
what? That was a little."
We got it, y'all. Y'all tell me what we should do. We got to get her off these cold drinks, off all that caffeine.
Yo, I drink water.
Pie face. There you go. Okay,
I
y'all.
drink water. I swear.
We
I
got
do.
our green and red peppers done. So I'll be right back.
What'd you just do?
Right now what we're doing, y'all, we're washing it. Every time I chop my vegetable stuff, it's always good to wash it. You know, the people in stores, everybody touches it. And you know, sometimes they might touch one and put it back and they won't touch them. You don't know what they did in the nose, ears, what they been doing. But we ain't gonna think that, but we gonna wash it after we do it, even though it's organic.
Because some people, pick it up and put it back down. And you don't know where their hands been. And not everybody wash their
It's
hands.
so pretty. Oh, vibrant, very vibrant.
Me.
Vibrant color. So Yeah, we get this out. That stuff's good.
Come here, girl. Come get the bag from over
Man, cooking is the bomb. We all cooks around here. Every last one of them.
Yes.
there. Kennedy.
Kennedy does cook. This is not true.
Tell Kennedy, say, I
I'm
can
the
put breakfast
bomb.
on block, don't you?
Actually, that's Kalia's forte. I'm better with dinners.
Look, she wanna have the dinner.
No, I just am. Kalia's really good with breakfast.
Next time, baby, you
Everything except bacon. And then
Okay,
I'm good with dinner, especially
See y'all
Thanksgiving.
in a minute, man.
Slay.
We got our chopped vegetables, chopped eggplant.
I heard it.
Zucchini. I almost said it though. We got our eggplant chopped. We got our green and red peppers chopped. Now it's time for the zucchini.
Eat what's there. Yeah, eat what's there. No, eat that.
Slow at the end. I ain't trying to cut myself.
Leave it alone.
Then we're gonna go down
And I told you to
a
sit
little
down.
bit on that. And we're gonna
Sit.
like that. Yeah.
Stop.
We'll leave a couple hands.
You want apple?
Yours is right here.
Apple.
Oh, apple.
That's yours.
He want apples and bananas, apples and bananas.
That song is killing me. Like if I have to hear it one more time, I'm gonna scream.
Okay, we got one chopped.
Bananas.
Kennedy, is the camera on me? Can you
Yes.
see it? Is it waving? Is you getting close to some of the stuff in and
Would
out?
you like
zooming?
me to?
Yes, that's part of the what's the name. You gotta get it in there.
Look at the handwork. Slay.
Because that's not the. Leave it alone. Eat what you got in your hand.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, we get our zucchini. Now that we get our zucchini chopped,
Quick.
our next step
That's it. Quick.
is to, oh yeah, we're gonna fry these. We're gonna put a light fry, steam fry, whatever, fry, steam,
Heat
something
up.
like that. Yeah, man, y'all gonna have to try this recipe, man. You know, oh yeah, and I'm gonna have to put some seasoning. I'm gonna show y'all the seasons that are gonna do with that. So I'm gonna get these washed off and good. I'm gonna show y'all how I mix it up and what I do to it next.
Let's go.
finna do now. We finna get our vegetables fried up and steamed up good, and you know, gotta see my. Hold on 1 second. Alarm on the pad, but milk is right here. Gotta get my top. Make sure that's not the top.
No, not the top.
You might have to work those right now. But it ain't too big. I can use it.
Yeah, so we do not have that time.
Cut the light on for the air. Put the light on so we can see. We'll cut this on medium high a little bit. Put a little butter in now.
Humir's hair sticking up like crazy. Y'all, his hair did not look like that. He went to sleep and woke up and it looked like that because he did not put on his do-rag. But I swear, it was cute when Mama first did it.
Hey, y'all, we got ready. I need something to stir.
Seasonings.
I don't know why though. I like to stir with spatula. This is my thing.
You gonna bring your seasonings over here?
Oh yeah. The seasoning is what we're gonna use, y'all.
Ah, they're falling.
I'm running out of seasoning too. Of what these can. We're gonna use some of that. Some of that chicken, some lemon pepper, some roasted garlic was just a touch of that in there. That right there is what set it off. Not too much.
He's so cute.
I like these pizza nights. So good.
I like when we make
got
tacos.
Some, we got some steak fries, or do we want to make some homemade fries?
I'm feeling steak fries.
Okay, we're going to do the homemade fries and steak fries.
Steak fries.
We'll do steak fries, y'all. Yeah.
Be bussin'. Bussin'? Say bussin'?
So y'all,
okay.
Y'all see we getting this stuff ready. Like I said, I'm finna get this fried on here, real nice and dandy and handy. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be right back when it's fried. Y'all can see we getting our eggplant in here, our zucchini and what was the other? Red and green pepper.
Me.
Get them nice and dandy. I'm gonna use all this because we don't have much, but it don't take much. I'm gonna go get me another one of these.
Yes. Add it to the grocery list.
Flame this up right nice and dandy. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Get us some little lemon pepper in there. Boom, boom, bam, boom, ba, 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 ba. Now for my apple simmering scone. This brings an amazing flavor to it, y'all. It's not just too sweet, but it's like an apple butter. And man, when I tell y'all, good. So then we got that in there. Mix this up with 2 little spoons. A little spoon and a big spoon.
Oh, I just noticed why you said that.
Give me a close up.
I just did.
Like where you can see the fry. I come from under so I can get it mixed up well. You know. Don't they look so good? The colors look so vibrant. got it sitting up butter in the middle. We'll keep it up on high. Kind of get it kicking. Get this thing on the roll. And see y'all on the next phase. You know what I'm doing now, y'all? While they're doing that, I forgot one of my main ingredients, my onion. I didn't chop up no onion, so I'm gonna really get the onions chopped up real quick. Before everything just get it going, you know. So I really don't need too much of that. Take a handful of onions over here, y'all. We'll let that sit for a second, marinate. We'll be back with the more. We'll be back with some more, not the more. We'll be back. Well, we'll be back. All right, y'all, we back, man. We're gonna see how this coming along.
Come here, leave my phone alone, please.
Getting pretty good and steamed. Up in here, I like the little spoon on this side.
Look at the focus face.
That's serious, y'all. When I show a little cooking, and what we're trying to do is get everything steamed right good and curly.
Hurry. Bears, go get Gigi. Go get Gigi, please.
Y'all can see that. We're gonna let them steam for a little longer before we put it in the oven. Show y'all this next thing. Alright, we back. Next phase, y'all. I'm gonna put a little virgin olive oil in my pan. So it can get good and bombastic. What that word mean? I don't know. It means something though.
What word?
Bombastic.
I don't know what that means either.
Bombastic.
And grease stuff, because I want like balsamic vinegar. That TikTok again, it's been in my brain. Anytime I see oil, I just be like, balsamic vinegar? And that's not even oil. What dark
We got
we
this
do?
right here. Come on, turn around. So we're gonna take this out the stove now, y'all. We're gonna lay it over here.
By the way, this is not the pizza part. What part do this be, Charlie?
Part of the pizza part, but not the pizza part.
Yes. This is part of it.
But it's gonna be like a 2 meal thing. It's gonna be able to do 2 things. Okay. But I see we got that covered in there. And our next step with that is to take some Parmesan cheese. We're gonna kind of grate that in. Double spoon. Get them mixed up in there, right hard and dandy.
Here he is. Hey. Bite. What you got? Okay. Oh, you have a nut? You don't know how to open this, do you? This is why you pick up the hardest one to open.
And so what I'm really doing, man, I'm basting this up. When I put it in the oven and bake, it won't be a dryness, but it'll be, you know, it's gonna make a topping for me.
Yes.
And then also, what you don't eat off the top, you put on your pizza for the veggie pizza. You can just eat it regular in the regular meat.
Which is really good, y'all.
Yeah, it's really good.
We
But I ain't
eat
do
it.
it quite like that. I ain't do my breadcrumbs and like that. You do the breadcrumbs and then you put the cheese. But then we'll go in there after I get through with what I'm doing.
Yes.
So, well, we're waiting for the oven. Well, we're gonna stick this in the oven, y'all, for like 15 to 20 minutes. Take it out like that, y'all. Right. Y'all see it's still sitting. I know y'all like, why did you leave that other stuff out? This right here. That's when you throw your remainder in. This gonna give it texture. This gonna soften up, but it's still also it's gonna give it like a very good texture.
This camera quality is great.
So we're gonna take our little spoons, y'all. We're gonna come back and mix the fresh in with that. All over we go. We don't savage nothing. I got a good little mix, y'all. My mixing is all out today.
It looks so good. Chop. Chop.
Like that. Okay.
Not the oven telling us it's ready after the food's ready.
I don't know if y'all can see that Parmesan starting to string up in now. All through it. Let this part here, y'all. We're gonna stick it back in there for a second.
Love the mittens, Mr. Crab.
Boom. This time, y'all, what I'm gonna do is, instead of baking, I'm gonna hit that broil, bam. put it on a low broil. Boil it. Baboil.
This is definitely Italian. I love it.
Alright.
That was a party. Slay.
Yep. This is why I say this day. We got a big one too, y'all. So we're gonna get this cut off. We're gonna come over here in our knife collection. Beautiful statue. Y'all gotta see this, y'all. Ain't that so beautiful? We love our stuff. It turns around in case you gotta maneuver and stuff. You never know when you gotta in trouble. You know, then you come out like that, you know what I mean? You need some scissors. Am I gonna cop that?
That was elite.
Y'all see that, didn't you? So we're gonna put that over. We're gonna take the breads out. That's what that looks like right there. So I'm gonna actually I'm gonna use my pans. I'm gonna add the garlic butter at the bottom of the pans, and we're gonna I got garlic butter. Y'all see.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Give me a second. All right, let's show them what's taking this out. All right, y'all. I did me some garlic butter, man. For I wanted to use some cloves, but I didn't. But we got a little garlic butter. I use garlic powder. You know, they're gonna do the same thing. We're trying to go on the bottom of the crust of the bread. But we're gonna take out the topping out for the veggie piece to show y'all what it's talking about. What I do with my gloves? Now you can take them out with your hand. Ooh, you bad. You bad to the bone. There we go with that, y'all. There we go with that, y'all. There we go with that, y'all. There we go with that, y'all.
Anyways.
It's all we do how I want it. Okay. Now, next step we're gonna go over here, y'all. We're gonna start our personal pan pieces. And so I need my little brush. I'm gonna actually take, take it like that. Uh-oh, can she get it? That might be on there, ain't it? Come on, get it. You got it.
You got this, babe.
Y'all don't know about this part.
Let me show y'all a magic trick.
I know a
You
magic
ready?
trick.
I know a magic trick too. What's your magic trick included?
I'm gonna hit the top of it.
With what?
A spoon.
Oh, I use a knife, like the back of a knife. I just bang at it.
Spit them right out.
Look at him trying to be
Damn
like me.
it.
He's my.
Immaculate.
He's trying to be like me.
So, yeah.
I told him that.
So,
Charlie did not teach you that.
yeah, she taught me that, y'all.
Yeah, 100%, definitely.
So we got the, we come back over here. We're gonna lace it with our olives, y'all. Bam. Bam, bam. I'm gonna have to probably sprinkle just a taste more meat on there for Miss Nisha, because that's the first thing she gonna say. What the meat at? I'm saying, so I'll do that, girl.
I feel like she's gonna be like, baby, this looks good. In that exact tone.
Yes.
You better
Yes,
get
yes.
away from that game.
I thought she gonna say, baby, this looks good. Y'all gonna see when we show it to her. And the kid in the
This
tour
looks
right now.
good.
She in there with the grandbaby, so you know.
Well, at least one of them. Dennis the Menace trying to get in trouble.
I opened a can of these. Where did I sit?
Look at a piece of y'all.
Right,
Slay. It slays. It's down. Now, those are the worst things ever created. Why do I say that? It has a flavor that overtakes everything. And it's not. No, give me my chips.
Pizza.
No.
Let me go get that switch. Go tell Gigi, come here. Go get Gigi. Nah, you gotta go in there.
Milk. Milk. That's how you say come here. That's so cute. Milk, because it's like he combines come and here. Milk.
So we got our black olives on it, y'all. We ain't put too much. But I'm gonna have to dip just a little more. What do the hamburger make? It's over here. Huh? What?
Stickers. Slay.
We'll get her just a tank more.
Y'all look at mama.
There you go.
Hey.
Now look at it, did you hear?
Definitely heard that.
What did you say, honey?
He said, don't look at it. Did you hear?
You hear what? I didn't hear nothing.
You didn't hear it?
Here go your purse.
I heard it. Look at yours. I made it.
Baby, it's back.
Oh, he said that.
Y'all hear that,
Baby.
y'all? I mean, I know her. I know her.
Don't forget to top it out with the little white cheese on top.
Oh yeah, you know we gotta get that on there.
But that's it right there.
We said the baby part too. I was literally like, I knew she was gonna come here and be like, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Then
We
come
did.
around
We have
like
it on
that.
recording. So ha 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 ha.
Yeah, we got it on recording on what you were gonna say and how you were gonna say it.
And you said it.
I acted it out too.
He did.
And you did that, baby.
You did it.
And I even said she gonna say, oh, put a little more what's name on mine, didn't
Meat.
Oh, no.
And because he said, how much you want to bet? She gonna be like, ask some more meat. I said she gonna come in here and be like, baby,
he?
that looks good. Yeah.
Okay, y'all, this is perfect pan, man.
Oh my God, are y'all trying to be twins today with the blue shirts?
We're gonna stick them in
Ha ha
the
ha. Not same shade.
My shirt like that was so good for it.
Pizza.
There we go. We got that pieces ready, y'all. That personal pan thing. Don't it look so good? Them look like a pro.
I'm hungry.
Get that. Make sure the bottom got that crisp on it. Got a little crisp to it, a little crisp to the bottom. Okay. up, y'all. I get this. Right. Go that way with it.
The sound effects right now is crazy. It sounds like an old cartoon.
So what I'm actually doing is, y'all, I'm going up like 4 or 5 more minutes just to get that little. We don't want like crust crispy, but we want a nice crunch for the bottom.
What's wrong with you, man? What you doing? It hurt.
No, boy, you haven't got
Let me
fake.
kiss it. Mwah. Kiss. Charlie, what you be doing? Oh, he's making a second personal.
Yeah, I'm making her pizza, y'all.
Mine?
Yeah, the
Oh my
simple
God,
pizza.
I knew you liked me. Stop it. Ah. Stop it. Ah.
Okay.
A paper towel. I'm gonna pick it up in a minute. Ah. Kimaris, please, babe. Stop. Ah. Ah.
You hear me? That show this.
Ah. Ah.
You hear me?
Okay, bye.
Yeah, here we go, y'all. We're gonna take them out of the lab. Result of that, see what that thing done.
Gloves.
Gloves. Them good and crispy. Ooh, it's right on time. Look at that, y'all. Look at that.
Glorious.
Baby.
Can they see that? Can they see it good? Give them some light. And that's what we call a personal pan pizza. Catfish chocolate in the family. Hey, come and take a spatula for me and get the sauce.
Baby.
Put it on your plate. Come on, we walk them over here. You ever see how that cheese do when it coming out?
I don't know what's special.
This one over here.
Yummy, yummy, yummy tomato.
Let her do the honor. Take your piece off this spatula so you can see that cheese. That's mozzarella flour pepper. She aggressive. She ready, ain't she?
No, I'm gonna make sure I get it all up.
Got that garlic butter crust in there, man. This last one, y'all. Well, this ain't the last one. This is the last of the personal pan pieces. You know what I mean? Then we got the vegetable pieces coming up next. But you know, the last of the done, I had to make them bubble. You see that crust bubbling with that garlic butter and that zesty lime. That's a beauty. What y'all think about that? Y'all listen to it. Listen to it. Listen to it. Y'all. My thing is, Kenny the Cake. Is that piece of immaculate? Describe it. Describe it. Y'all can see the cheese.
Okay. It's busting because, like, you know me, even though I'm lactose intolerant, I love mozzarella cheese. It's hitting. I'm trying to say my pizza was gonna be plain. It's still busting. It ate down. Look at it.
I gave you extra pepperoni.
Because you knew that was necessary. But
They would have it, y'all.
Ate down. It is busting. It does what it
We got one more pizza, y'all. We got that veggie pizza coming up next, y'all.